Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today we'll be making one of my favorite sweet delights that are famous in Spain and Portugal. They are called churros. In translation, it means fried pastry dough. Let's get started with the ingredients.
The ingredients are 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 pinch of salt, 2 pinches of sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, and 2 eggs. Boil the water and butter in a saucepan. Put the flour in a mixing bowl and add salt and sugar. Pour the hot buttered water over the flour mixture. Mix well until it turns into a thick, homogenized paste. Add 1 egg at a time and mix well on a high speed. Move the paste into a piping bag lined with any type of a metal tip. Heat the oil. Protect your hands and watch out for splashes. Let's make the cinnamon sugar coating. You will need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix cinnamon and powdered sugar in a deep dish for rolling. Pipe medium-sized strips into the hot oil and let them get uniformly brown. Drain your churros on paper towel. Roll them in cinnamon powdered sugar. Enjoy it with your family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos.